Everybody posts food.
Everybody.
Instagram, Snapchat, IG stories,
Facebook.
Twitter, Facebook. Everybody loves showing off. What am I eating? Maybe it makes you feel better. Ooh, look how I'm eating. That's not how you eating? Well, peep how I'm eating though.
Right.
Right. I think food is the new thirst trap. But hey, if you were hanging out with me today, you could be eating like this, boo-boo.
This could be you, you know.
But it's not. It's me.
Right.
So, we want to propose some rules to this game. Some rules that if you follow, your food post could be a little better and maybe even benefit the foodie community.
You know.
Rule number 1. What are you eating?
What?
Everyone posts food and we never know what it is. I mean, some of it's pretty common, right?
Yeah.
We get it. Spaghetti and
basics.
meatballs, cheese pizza.
Grilled cheese.
Yeah, but if it's something a little more elaborate, something artsy, let us know.
Right.
What are you eating?
Are those polenta fries?
Yeah.
Cheese sticks? What are they?
You know, let us know what you're drinking. Drinks are harder to tell.
Oh, yeah.
So rule number 1, keep it simple.
Let us
What
know
is
what
it?
it is.
What are you eating? So to help you with these rules, our example today are crawfish beignets right there. Okay, these are crawfish beignets. They are a mix of cheese, crawfish, spices, and green onion in a deep fried ball.
Yes, deep fried.
What is it? Rule number 2, tell us where you got it. So for our example, the easy way, hey, had crawfish beignets at Brenda's in San Francisco.
Yep.
One little extra credit, Brenda's French Soul Food. Add the address in your description. If you want it to be really simple,
The easy part is tagging them on your social media, whether it's Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. You can add them, you can swipe to the geolocation, simple as that.
that covers number 2. Rule number 3 is actually my favorite.
Number 3.
Tell me how much it costs.
How much?
Nobody does that, but it's actually a really important thing. For Brenda's, 3 of those beignets are $12. And at $4 a piece, I think they're worth it. Unique seafood beignets, and they tasted great.
And they're softball size, like I talked about, so they're pretty huge for a good price. So we all love good deals for good food, so, you know, why not share it with the world?
Let us know how much it costs.
Yep.
The crawfish beignets from Brenda's French Soul Food in San Francisco. Absolutely delicious.
Amazing.
Through the roof.
Yes.
They come out hot. They're great amount of seafood flavor, good amount of spice, really cheesy. 3 for $12.
And these are not your normal size beignets. These are softball size beignets. They're massive and they are so good. You pull them apart, the cheese just pulls. It's amazing and it smells great.
We would highly recommend it for us. 5 out of 5 stars.
Yes.
Definitely go and have these beignets.
We going back.
So rule number 5 is, would we go back if it was out of our way?
Yep.
First of all, we went to San Francisco for a day trip, so it was out of our way. But if we were in the city again and we weren't nearby, I would definitely circle all the way back to Brenda's French Soul Food.
Yeah. If I was in Oakland visiting family or whatever, and they're like, hey, you want to grab something to eat? And they want to go to San Francisco, I'm like,
I got the spot.
Brenda's French Soul Food.
Because we had a bunch of things on the menu other than these crawfish beignets, which we'll do a separate video.
Yeah.
But we would absolutely go back to try other things on the menu. Their coffee was great. Weight wasn't really that bad. So to answer rule number 5, we would definitely go out of our way, out of our convenience to visit Brenda's again.
And get that beignet too.
Yeah, you gotta get the crawfish.
Absolutely.
Gotta get it. And other things. Secret rule number 6. Please listen to this rule. It is very important. Do not post ugly food.
No.
Ever. If your food doesn't look good, don't post it.
It's a huge no. A huge slap in the face, actually, really.
I shouldn't be turned off by your food.
No.
You know how elders say, you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say it? If your food is ugly, don't post it.
It really does, because it's not appetizing. I shouldn't look at your food and be disgusted by what you're gonna eat.
So that's it. Those are our rules to posting food.
So let us know down in the comments below if you agree or disagree with our rules. And feel free to share some of your rules about your food pics. And go ahead and tag that friend down below that doesn't follow some of our full rules.
Because we all know our food post should benefit our friends and family.
Exactly.
And it should look good.
So like and subscribe if you like this video. Share it with your friends and family.
And let us know how we can do better to bring you better food. And to help us bring you a better food channel.
Because you deserve good food pics.
That's it. You hungry?
I could eat.